Okay, so now we are going to place a floor in a finished floor into our first floor area. So we're going to go to the structure tab on the ribbon panel, and we're going to go to floor, and we can click this little down arrow under floor, and we can see that there's a structural floor, an architectural floor, or a floor slab edge. We're going to do an architectural, and if in the properties palette, it automatically, for me, is showing up on a concrete 4-inch slab, which I think is a good choice. So concrete 4-inch slab. In the options bar, we can see that I'm going to put no offset. So it's going to attach or right at the base or right at the floor level. And I'm going to leave this extend into wall to core option selected. And then I have to pick a boundary line. So again, I'm going to use the line tool, which is here. I can select, and then I can begin drawing the outline of my building. And so I'm actually going to take it past the door, and then I'm going to include this area around this little exterior pop-out zone. And there you can see the purple boundary of where the floor, the concrete floor, will be placed. And I'll just click check to finish. That save project was something I just needed to do. It was separate from, it shouldn't pop up for you. And then you can see in the little hatched area everywhere where I placed the floor. Then I'm going to go into the 3D view just to check that it is in the proper location. And it is. So it's right below the door. And then I can check in my original drawings, is that the aesthetic that I wanted. So this sort of has its own, this is farther forward than there. So there's a step up from the ground level to the door there. And I think that looks the same as we have here pretty much. So that is the floor.